Beneath the ocean's surface, hidden from sight, the U.S. Navy's submarines move like silent predators. These underwater war machines are some of the deadliest and stealthiest in the world. With advanced technology, powerful weapons, and near-invisible movement, the U.S. can strike before the enemy even knows they're there. But what makes them so lethal, and how do they stay undetected? Get ready to learn the secrets of the U.S. Navy submarines. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's dive in. Advanced stealth technology. One of the biggest reasons the U.S. Navy submarines are so deadly is their ability to operate in complete secrecy. These underwater giants are built with cutting-edge stealth technology that makes them nearly impossible to detect. Unlike regular ships, which can be spotted by radar or satellites, submarines are designed to disappear into the depths of the ocean, making them a nightmare for any enemy trying to track them. Their hulls are coated with special sound-absorbing materials that reduce the way sonar waves bounce off them, making it harder for enemy ships and submarines to locate them. Even their shape is carefully designed to minimize the noise they create as they move through the water, reducing their chances of being detected. A major part of this stealth comes from their propulsion systems. Instead of using traditional propellers, which create a lot of noise, many modern U.S. submarines are equipped with pump jet propulsion. This technology allows them to glide through the water with barely a sound, making it nearly impossible for enemy sonar to pick them up. On top of that, their nuclear-powered engines eliminate the need for diesel generators, which can create noise when recharging batteries. All of these features work together to make U.S. submarines some of the quietest and most undetectable military assets in the world. Because of this, they can slip into enemy waters, gather intelligence, or prepare for an attack without anyone knowing they're there. Nuclear power and unlimited range. One of the most significant advantages U.S. Navy submarines have over their counterparts from other nations is their nuclear power. Unlike traditional submarines, which have to surface frequently to recharge their batteries or refuel, nuclear-powered submarines can stay submerged for months at a time. This gives them an almost unlimited range, allowing them to travel anywhere in the world's oceans without ever having to stop. While other submarines may be forced to return to port to refuel, U.S. Navy submarines can continue their missions uninterrupted, making them much more difficult to track. Since these submarines don't have to surface often, they remain hidden beneath the waves, making them even more dangerous. Their only real limitation is how long their crew can stay on board without needing fresh supplies. However, modern submarines are designed with extended missions in mind. They carry enough food, water, and supplies to last for months, allowing them to operate independently for long periods. This ability to stay hidden for so long gives the U.S. Navy a huge advantage in naval warfare. Enemy forces never know where these submarines are or when they might strike, creating constant uncertainty and fear. Advanced sonar and surveillance systems. While staying hidden is a key strength of U.S. submarines, they are also masters at detecting and tracking enemy ships and submarines before they are detected. The U.S. Navy has invested heavily in sonar and surveillance technology, allowing these underwater war machines to gather intelligence and monitor enemy movements with incredible accuracy. Their advanced sonar systems can pick up the faintest sounds in the ocean, from the movement of enemy submarines to the noise of distant ships. There are two main types of sonar that these submarines use: passive sonar and active sonar. Passive sonar works by simply listening to the sounds in the water without sending out any signals, making it completely undetectable. This allows U.S. submarines to track enemy vessels without revealing their position. On the other hand, active sonar works by sending out sound waves and analyzing the echoes that bounce back, helping them detect objects in the water. While active sonar can give away the submarine's position, it is only used when necessary. In addition to sonar, these submarines are also equipped with highly advanced electronic warfare and signal intelligence systems that allow them to intercept enemy communications, track missile launches, and monitor movements in real time. Some U.S. submarines are even equipped with underwater drones that extend their surveillance capabilities. These drones can be sent ahead to scan the area, gather data, and relay it back to the submarine, providing valuable intelligence without putting the main vessel at risk. With these state-of-the-art detection systems, U.S. submarines can monitor potential threats long before they are even aware of their presence. This gives them a massive advantage in both defensive and offensive operations. Devastating firepower. While U.S. submarines are designed to stay hidden, they are also built to deliver devastating attacks when needed. These underwater war machines carry some of the most powerful and advanced weapons in the world, making them a deadly threat to any enemy. One of their most fearsome weapons is the Tomahawk cruise missile. These missiles can be launched from underwater and travel over 1,000 miles to strike enemy targets with pinpoint accuracy. Because of their long range, a U.S. submarine can attack an enemy country's military bases, infrastructure, or command centers without ever revealing its location. In addition to cruise missiles, submarines are equipped with torpedoes that can sink enemy ships and destroy enemy submarines with precision. These torpedoes use advanced guidance systems to lock onto targets and hit them with deadly force. Some U.S. submarines are also part of the country's nuclear deterrent force. The Ohio-class submarines, for example, are armed with Trident II ballistic missiles, which can carry multiple nuclear warheads and hit targets across vast distances. This makes them one of the most powerful strategic weapons on the planet. These submarines act as a major deterrent, ensuring that any potential enemy knows that attacking the United States could result in swift and overwhelming retaliation. Special operations and covert missions. Beyond their role as war machines, U.S. Navy submarines also play a crucial role in secret operations. These submarines are often used to transport and deploy elite Navy SEAL teams into enemy territory without being detected. Some submarines are specially modified to carry SEAL teams and have lockout chambers that allow divers to exit and re-enter the submarine while it remains submerged. This allows them to conduct highly secretive missions, such as sabotage, intelligence gathering, and hostage rescues, all while remaining completely undetected. These covert capabilities make U.S. submarines an invaluable tool for special operations. Because of their stealth and ability to operate in enemy waters for extended periods, they can provide real-time intelligence and support for ground forces in hostile regions. In many cases, these submarines operate so quietly that enemy forces never even realize they are there until long after the mission is complete. This ability to launch secret missions and strike from the shadows adds another layer of unpredictability to U.S. naval power. Cyber warfare and network warfare. Modern naval warfare is no longer just about torpedoes and missiles. It has expanded into the digital world. The U.S. Navy has incorporated cyber warfare capabilities into its submarine fleet, making these vessels even more formidable. Submarines are now equipped with advanced hacking tools that allow them to disrupt enemy communications, disable radar systems, and even take control of enemy networks. This means that before even firing a missile, a U.S. submarine can cripple an enemy's ability to respond. Additionally, these submarines are integrated into a massive networked warfare system, meaning they can share real-time data with other military forces, including aircraft carriers, fighter jets, drones, and satellites. This interconnected system allows them to coordinate strikes, track enemy movements, and respond to threats with unmatched speed and efficiency. A submarine might detect an enemy ship and relay its exact position to an aircraft carrier, which can then launch an airstrike within minutes. This level of coordination makes the U.S. Navy an overwhelming force that no adversary can match. With all this power, stealth, and technology, it's clear why U.S. Navy submarines are some of the most feared war machines in the world. But if these submarines are so advanced, how do rival nations try to counter them? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.